Hello everyone, it's Talia, and I haven't been posting again for a while, but I'm making a Q&A video today. Before we get started, remember to click the subscribe button. So I'm doing a Q&A. I don't think I can respond to comments like questions. I don't think on YouTube Kids we have that. But I'm just gonna answer some questions that are common on other people. How old am I? A week ago it was my birthday. Now I'm 8. What grade I am in? I'm in grade 2. Do I have a pet? No. And other things like that. So, when's my birthday? My birthday is March 31st. And today, I think it's April 5th. Yeah, I think so. But maybe the time I'm uploading this, it will be another day. But yeah. And, what's my favorite color? My favorite color is purple or pink. And my third favorite color is black. And I think I'm gonna give you a room tour in this video. I'm not sure. And my name Talia. You obviously know that. Yeah. So, yeah. I didn't really think this video through. So we're really gonna talk and do kind of a Q&A. And I'm gonna show you some of my room. So I'm gonna talk with you and show you my room. So hopefully you can see and not go crazy. I'm sorry, this is actually my first year ever doing YouTube. I'm really enjoying it. I'm not sure if you guys, but I hope you're enjoying my channel. So we have these first, wait, can you guys see it? This sucks. Oh my god. Those are photos. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys that. Because it's not amazing. This is my bed. You can probably see my name backwards, but yeah, that's my name on top of the bed. See? And I actually play the piano. So I have this piano set right here. And here is my makeup area / thingies, jigs. It's just some things. I think you can see it, right? And I have this dollhouse. I love it. Absolutely love it, next to the makeup area. And over here I have my closet. All my things, clothes. And I have some toys under here. This is all that was the area where I keep all my clothes, like t-shirts, skirts, and jeans. And here's where I keep all my dresses. I have quite a few. And also some toys in there. And also, I got this neon sign. It says Talia, but it's in backwards because, yeah, on the camera. And this is a Lego thing I did yesterday. Stitch. Hello. It's Stitch. And that's the end of today's video. I hope you liked it. And stay tuned for more videos. Bye.